Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video of the 420D M Sport Coupe here at your next car. So as always, we're going to take a look around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to talk you through both major talking points of the exterior and interior of the vehicle. And then of course I'll go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we will of course go in a bit more depth. The vehicle is a 2016 16 plate, as you can see there, and is presented in the fantastic black sapphire metallic. Alongside that, we fitted the vehicle with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, and it also features the very popular and very nice 666 competition style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres, and set against that black sapphire metallic really do finish this vehicle off very nicely. Down the side of the vehicle you'll see the satin side bars along with the YNC Mperformance decals and the privacy glass that the vehicle does also come with. And again, just showing you off those alloy wheels. Thanks to the sun shining through into the showroom today, they're really going to stand out very nicely. The interior on the vehicle is the black Dakota leather with both heated and the electric lumbar option. The rear seat configuration on the 4 Series, as you can see, does come with split folding seats along with the Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement and the centre folding armrest and the centre storage tray. And of course, being the M Sport model, we do get the darkened M Sport headlining. And again, you'll be able to see that privacy glass, which is of course does serve quite a few purposes. As well as the privacy, it does also make the car have that bit more style to it. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle, you'll find that we've got the satin rear diffuser on this vehicle and a very nice high gloss rear boot spoiler. The luggage capacity for the 4 Series is one that often surprises people thanks to just how large it really is. Alongside that, as we've already seen, does come with the split folding seat function on this vehicle. There are also the BMW floor mats, which will of course accompany the vehicle. Moving around to the other side of the car, again just to show you how nicely presented this 420D M Sport Coupe is. Again, with the sun shining through into the showroom, you can just get a sense of how nice and how much metallic paint flake is put into the black sapphire metallic colour. And again, it also shines very nicely onto the bi-colour 666 competition style alloy wheels. Heading on into the vehicle, I'll go into a bit more detail and be able to show you just how much technology is packed into these vehicles. First of all, starting the car up, you're greeted with the BMW Professional Wide Navigation and Media Screen, and we'll run through just a few of the features of that. Of course, starting with the nav function, which is a very user-friendly system. Media wise, you get a wide array of multimedia inputs, including music collection, USB, AUX and of course Bluetooth. Along with DAB, as you can see there, we've also got the Bluetooth telephone function. Moving on to the home screen, we'll go ahead and check out the vehicle service status and service requirements, not before showing you the dual climate control with the heated seat function just here. And we'll also, as you can see there on the service requirement screen, everything is currently in the green and it's not due a service for 19,000 miles. And going up to the service history screen, you'll be able to see there that it does have a full BMW service history, and the last visit to BMW was at 21032. And that was for a brake fluid service, and the vehicle has only covered a very low mileage of 26,325. We also have the very nice ergonomically pleasing multifunction M Sport steering wheel with both the cruise control and speed limiter function, voice and volume controls. It's also paired nicely with the 7-speed automatic gearbox. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information and of course a link to our website to check this vehicle out in further depth down below in the description. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. We do of course hope you enjoyed it, but most of all we do hope to see yourselves very soon here at your next car. Thanks for watching, take care.